Good morning everyone. Today in our maths class we will do chapter number 3 subtraction. Before start the chapter we have to put a date on our left side and classwork on our right side. Now let's start. In this chapter we will cover how to subtract 2 or 3 digit numbers. What are the properties of subtraction? The symbol of subtraction is this. It says minus sign. Now the answer to the subtraction problem is called its difference. Means when we subtract two numbers, the answer which we get, it's called difference. Now fill in the blanks. Now here we have to subtract 0 from the 9. Now when we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. Means if we subtract 0 from 9, the answer will be 9. Now here 7 minus 0 means we have to subtract 1 from 7, means we have to move one step backward, means 7 here, and we have to move one step backward, means 6. So the answer will be 6. Now here we have to subtract 3 from 4, means we have to move 3 steps backward from 4, means 3, 2 and 1. So the answer will be 1. So here we have to move 2 steps backward from the 8, means we have to subtract 2 from 8. So we have to move 2 steps backward, means 7 and 6. So the answer will be 6. So while writing the digits in the box, remember the digits should touch the bottom line as you have seen here. Now page number 47. Now here we are going to subtract 2 digit numbers. But while doing the 2 digit number, first we subtract ones place, then tens place. So here we are going to subtract 3 from 6, means we have to move 3 steps backward. So 5, 4 and 3. So answer will be 3. Now we have to subtract 1 from 2, means we have to move 1 step backward. 2 is here and 1 step backward means 1. So the answer will be 1. Here again we are going to subtract 1 from 3. So we have to move 1 steps backward, means 3 is here and 1 steps backward means 2. Here we have to move 4 steps backward from 6, means we have to subtract 4 from 6. So the 4 steps backward means 5, 4, 3 and 2. So the answer will be 2. Now here we have to subtract 0 from 6, means 0 means nothing, means we are not going to subtract anything from the 6. So we get the same 6. Now here we have to subtract 2 from 7, means we have to move 2 steps backward, 6 and 5. So the answer will be 5. Now here you have to write the answer. Take away 2 from 6. Take away means we are going to subtract. Here we are going to subtract 2 from 6. So we have to move 2 steps backward, means 5 and 4. So the answer will be 4. Now 7 minus 3, it means again we are going to subtract. So here we are going to subtract 3 from 7. So we have to move 3 steps backward, 6, 5 and 4. So the answer will be 4. Now the difference between 8 and 2, again the difference means we are going to subtract. So we have to subtract 2 from 8. So we have to move 2 steps backward, 7 and 6. So the answer will be 6. Now subtract on the number line. Again we are going to follow the same pattern but on number line. So here we are going to subtract 3 from 12, means first we have to come to number 12 and we have to move 3 steps backward. So 1, 2 and 3. So the answer will be 9. Now on the next question, here we are going to subtract 7 from 9. So again first we move to 9 and we have to move 7 steps backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the answer will be 2. So here we are going to subtract by counting backward. 69 minus 5, it means we have to move 5 steps backward. So 69 is here, we are going to write 68, 67, 66, 65, 64. So the answer will be 64. Now your homework is you have to do page number 48. That's all for today's session. Thank you so much. God bless you.